Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Topic 1 Cell Biology, our learning outcome C. Analyze the ultrastructure of animal/plant cells, bacterial cells, and the plasma membrane to distinguish prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell characteristics. We are looking at learning activity B. Learn as such and categorize the cells as prokaryotic or eukaryotic and present their work to the rest of the groups. Let's start by categorizing cells as prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Item 1. We shall look at microscopic identification of cells. During a biology practical lesson, students observe, prepare slides of a bacterial cell, a plant cell, and animal cell. They are asked to classify each cell type based on observed structure. Task: define prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Classify each of the observed cells. State 3 observable features used to classify each cell type. Identify one example organism for each category. Define prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, these are cells lacking a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells, they are cells with a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Classify each of the observed cells. Bacterial cell is prokaryotic. Plant cell is eukaryotic, and animal cell is eukaryotic. State 3 observable features used to classify each cell type. Prokaryotic cell features: no nuclear membrane, DNA free in the cytoplasm, nucleoid, no membrane bound organelles, and small size. Eukaryotic cell features: presence of a nucleus, membrane-bound organelles present, larger size, and linear chromosomes. Identify one example organisms for each category. Prokaryotic organisms, we have the bacteria, example E. coli. Eukaryotic organisms, we have the plants, animals, fungi, and protozoas. Categorizing cells as prokaryotic and eukaryotic, item 2. We are looking at the cell structure comparison chart. A learner prepares a table comparing cell structures after studying electron micrographs. Task: compare 5 structure features of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. State one functional significance of the differences. Compare 5 structure features of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. We have the features: prokaryotic, eukaryotic. The nucleus is absent in prokaryotic, present in eukaryotic. DNA, circular and naked in prokaryotic, linear and associated with proteins. Organelles, prokaryotic, absent, eukaryotic, present. Ribosomes, prokaryotic 70S, eukaryotic 80S. Size: small prokaryotic, larger in eukaryotic. State one functional significance of the differences. Functional significance: presence of membrane-bound organelles in eukaryotes allows compartmentalization, increasing efficiency of metabolic processes. Categorizing cells as prokaryotic or eukaryotic, item 3. Let's look at classification from cell descriptions. Students are given written description of cells. Cell A: DNA not enclosed by nuclear membrane. Cell wall present. No mitochondria. Cell B: nucleus present. Mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum present. Cell membrane present. Task: identify whether cell A and cell B are prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Justify each classification using 2 points. Identify whether cell A and cell B are prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Cell A is prokaryotic. Cell B is eukaryotic. Cell A is prokaryotic. Justify each classification using 2 points. Cell A justification: lacks a nucleus, lacks membrane-bound organelles. Cell B justification: has a true nucleus, contains membrane-bound organelles. Categorizing cells as prokaryotic or eukaryotic, item 4. We look at application to daily life. A teacher explains why antibiotics kill bacteria but do not damage human cells. Task: identify the category of cells targeted by antibiotics. Explain why human cells are not affected. Identify the category of cells targeted by antibiotics. Antibiotics target prokaryotic cells. Explain why human cells are not affected. Bacteria have structures such as peptidoglycan cell walls and 70S ribosomes, which are absent in human cells. This allows selective targeting. Marking emphasis. Provide clear definitions. Correctly classify cells. Use structural evidence. Present comparison logically. Apply knowledge to real situations. Conclusion: cells are categorized as prokaryotic or eukaryotic based on the presence or absence of a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Thank you for participating in Topic 1, Cell Biology Learning Outcome C. Analyze the ultrastructure of animal/plant cells, bacterial cells, and the plasma membrane to distinguish prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell characteristics. Our learning activity was B. Learners search and categorize the cells as prokaryotic and eukaryotic and present their work to the rest of the groups. If this has been useful to you, visit me at Mugabi Biology on YouTube.